Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best misting fans. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. EGO Power Plus FN 1000 Misting Fan. Color: black. Weight: 6.01 kilograms, 13.25 pounds. Category: battery-powered outdoor misting fan. Priced at around $169. If you're looking for a portable way to stay cool outside, the EGO Power Plus FN 1000 is definitely worth checking out. It combines a powerful fan with a built-in misting system, making it a practical option for hot patios, campsites, garages, or outdoor events. One of the first things you'll notice is how much airflow this compact fan can produce. With 6 speed settings, it's easy to adjust from a gentle breeze to much stronger cooling when the temperature climbs. The 3 oscillation modes help spread air across a wider area, so you're not limited to one direction. The misting feature is another highlight. You can connect it to a garden hose or draw water from a fresh water source, and the different misting modes let you choose how much cooling you need. The adjustable tilt also makes it easy to direct airflow where it's most useful. Since it's battery-powered, you don't have to stay near an outlet, although it's important to remember that the battery and charger are sold separately. That does increase the overall cost if you're new to the EGO platform. Overall, the EGO Power Plus FN 1000 feels well-built, offers impressive airflow, and adds effective misting for extra comfort. If you want a portable outdoor cooling solution and already use EGO batteries, or don't mind buying them separately, this looks like a solid choice. Number 4. Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist Fan. Color: charcoal gray. Weight: 15.4 pounds. Category: indoor and outdoor cordless misting fan. Priced at around $179.99. If staying cool outdoors is a priority, the Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist brings together strong airflow and portable convenience in a thoughtful design. Right away, what stands out is how flexible this fan is. You can use it as a full-height pedestal fan or quickly switch it to tabletop mode, making it useful whether you're relaxing on the patio, working in the garage, or spending time indoors. The built-in misting system is one of its biggest advantages. Unlike many misting fans that require a garden hose, this one includes a removable water tank, so you can enjoy cooling mist almost anywhere. You can even add ice to the tank for an extra refreshing breeze on especially hot days. Performance is solid as well. The airflow reaches surprisingly far, and the 5 speed settings make it easy to find a comfortable level. Even at higher speeds, the fan stays fairly quiet, which is great if you're using it while reading, working, or having conversations. The remote control also adds convenience, especially when you're relaxing outside. Battery life is another strong point. It can run for up to 24 hours on the lowest setting, and if the battery gets low, you can simply plug it in and keep using it while it recharges. The main drawback is the higher price compared to standard fans, and it's heavier than smaller portable models. Still, if you want a versatile fan that works both indoors and outdoors with the added benefit of portable misting, the Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist is a well-rounded and practical choice. Number 3. Shark FlexBreeze FA222. Color: gray. Weight: 12.2 pounds. Category: indoor and outdoor cordless cooling fan. Priced at around $169. The Shark FlexBreeze FA222 is designed for people who want one fan that can handle just about any space. Whether you're cooling a bedroom, relaxing on the patio, or working in the garage, this fan offers a nice mix of portability and performance. One feature I really like is its flexibility. You can use it as a full-size pedestal fan or convert it into a tabletop fan in just a few moments. Since it works both corded and cordless, you're not limited by where the nearest power outlet is. On lower speeds, the rechargeable battery can keep it running for up to 24 hours, which is especially useful for outdoor gatherings or camping trips. Airflow is impressive for a fan this size. It offers 5 speed settings, and the breeze boost mode pushes air a long distance, making it effective even in larger spaces. The fan also stays relatively quiet, so it won't be distracting while you're working, watching TV, or sleeping. If you need extra cooling outdoors, The included InstaCool misting attachment connects to a standard garden hose and adds a refreshing mist on hot days. Just keep in mind that, unlike some newer models, it doesn't include a built-in water tank, so a hose is required for the misting feature. Overall, the Shark FlexBreeze FA222 is a versatile and thoughtfully designed fan. If you want reliable indoor and outdoor cooling with cordless convenience and optional misting, it's a solid option that delivers good everyday performance. Number 2. Otlonpe Handheld Misting Fan. Color: black. Weight: 8.96 ounces. Category: portable rechargeable misting fan. Priced at around $16.14. If you need a compact fan that's easy to carry during hot weather, the Otlonpe Handheld Misting Fan offers a practical combination of portability and cooling. It's small enough to fit in a backpack or tote, making it a convenient companion for travel, outdoor events, walks, or even your desk at work. What makes this fan stand out is the built-in misting feature. The small water tank provides a light mist that can make warm days feel more comfortable, especially when you're outside. It's not designed to soak you, but it adds a refreshing touch that regular handheld fans don't offer. The fan includes 4 speed settings, so you can switch from a gentle breeze to stronger airflow depending on the situation. The foldable design is another nice touch. You can hold it in your hand, place it on a desk, or wear it using the included lanyard for hands-free cooling. The LED display also makes it easy to check the battery level and current speed. Battery performance is respectable for a fan of this size, offering several hours of use depending on the speed you choose. USB-C charging is convenient and keeps recharging simple. The main limitation is the 40 ml water tank, which needs occasional refilling if you use the mist continuously. Even so, for its compact size, versatile design, and affordable price, the Otlonpe Handheld Misting Fan is a solid option for anyone looking for portable personal cooling. Number 1. Koonie 8-inch Misting Fan. Color: light black. Weight: 2.5 pounds. Category: portable clip-on rechargeable misting fan. Priced at around $44.99. Looking for a fan that's easy to take almost anywhere? The Koonie 8-inch misting fan is built with portability in mind while adding a refreshing mist for extra comfort on hot days. It's a great fit for camping, golf carts, patios, strollers, home offices, or even your desk. The first thing that stands out is the sturdy clip design. It attaches securely to many surfaces, and if you don't need the clip, it also works well as a freestanding fan. The dual 360-degree adjustment makes it easy to aim the airflow exactly where you want it. Cooling performance is impressive for its size. You get 3 fan speeds to match different conditions, and the fan stays pleasantly quiet, making it suitable for work, reading, or relaxing. The built-in 200 ml water tank adds another level of comfort with both continuous and intermittent misting modes. On especially warm days, the gentle mist can make a noticeable difference without being overwhelming. Battery life is another highlight. The large 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery can deliver exceptionally long runtime on lower settings, making it useful for extended outdoor activities where power outlets aren't available. USB-C charging also keeps recharging simple and convenient. One thing to remember is that using the misting function regularly means you'll need to refill the water tank from time to time. Still, if you want a quiet, versatile, and portable cooling fan with long battery life, the Koonie 8-inch misting fan is a dependable choice for both indoor and outdoor use.